show you how to make some delicious mashed potatoes in a quick and easy time. First, I've already boiled and strained my potatoes. I have the Yukon Gold, so you can leave the skins right on. I put them in my mixer. And then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of Wild Tree's buttered grapeseed oil. Now, this has no cholesterol, so it's actually much better than a butter. And also 2 tablespoons of milk. And of course, I use skim milk, but you can use any type of milk you prefer. Put them up, and I'm going to whip them just for a couple minutes here. Now, once they're done, of course, you could add any kind of seasoning you'd like. If you'd like onion and chive mashed potatoes, if you'd like garlic and herb, which I'm partial to, you can add that. If you want a little kicker, put the jalapeno blend. So you can really do just about anything with them. And here they are. Voila. Serve them with that great meatloaf that we just did, and you'll just have a wonderful meal. Hot meatloaf sandwich with mashed potatoes and gravy. What could be better?